So here we are in beautiful Inverkeithing, just across the bridge over the Forth, where we arrived after a harrowing night walk of 11 hours, which we survived some of the worst Scottish weather you can imagine. High winds and thick rain and sheer dreich weather. But just as I pulled into Inverkeithing, the sun came out and it became an absolutely stunningly beautiful Scottish day. Our first meeting with a Catholic parish that was having its services at 9:30, just as I was relaxing a bit after the walk, and I met a group of absolutely delightful people with a new priest who joined only 6 months ago and who gave a really interesting predict. And afterwards I was invited to tea and cross buns in the church dining room, and I had the occasion to talk to many of the people there about their opinions on the EU referendum and about how that relates to Scottish politics and to their own community. And it was very interesting to talk to them and to listen to their opinions and to see how a lot of them either are in favor of staying in the EU or willing to stay in, but a bit skeptical about the non-democratic and non-accountable structures of Europe. So we discussed those issues a bit, and now I am moving towards Dunfermline to spend the afternoon there.